Here's part 2 of the CPP Adjustable Coilover suspension and Wilwood disc brakes on the 1967 C10 pickup. I ended up getting a little bit excited and finishing up the suspension. We ended up putting the inner and outer tie rod ends in and the sway bar. And now that the front end is complete, it's time to get on the brakes. So I've went ahead and I unboxed all the Wilwood brake parts. So let's go ahead and assemble this. We fast forward a little bit on this C10 build. We went ahead and we pulled out the 12-bolt rear end. Now it's time to install the Wilwood brakes. So we're going to pull off these hats and put the new brakes in. Before we put this diff back in, I'd like to degrease it and clean it up so it looks real nice for the new install. Okay, I'm happy with this, so let's go ahead and put it back in the truck. We've got the 12-bolt diff back in underneath the truck. It's attached to the trailing arms with the U-bolts and the lower shock brackets. Let's go ahead and take these Viking coilover shocks and install them. Okay, both coilovers are installed and nice and tight. Let's continue with the brakes.